have always enjoyed living a healthy lifestyle, whether I'm at the gym or on a hike or exercising at home. I love a good workout. But lately, I've noticed some joint discomfort. How can I still be active and avoid stiffness?
Well, that's a good question. As we age, I think most of us notice that it gets tougher to keep up with our old routines, but Life Extension does offer potent options to support your joints. Arthromax Advanced with NT2 collagen and ApriFlex offers nutrients that are focused on joint health, comfort, and connective tissue support, while Arthromax with Theaflavins and ApriFlex provides bioactive theaflavins that aid in maintaining comfortable joint function.
Once I started doing some research, I learned that Life Extension does stringent quality tests on the ingredients included in Arthromax. That makes me feel better about taking it.
Arthromax was developed from the ground up to support your range of motion and overall joint health.
I've been taking Arthromax for a few weeks now, and the difference is noticeable. I can stick to my normal workout, and who knows, maybe I'll just compete in my first marathon.